We get it almost every night.
Hey guys, so today I will be showing you how to replace the hydraulic shocks on your hood of your Corvette, or it could be your hatch as well. This is probably one of the easiest fixes that you can do. I'm gonna be showing you how to do it right now. It's $15. You can get them for around that price, very cheap, because they do sell them on the website, but they're like 40 bucks, and you know, nobody wants to pay that. It does the same thing. Open up our hood here. The little I think it's like a little O-ring that goes out in the hydraulics. Just leaks out all the gas. So yeah, this one's broken right now. Obviously your hood's not gonna be working. This tool right here, or a flathead of any sort. What you're gonna do is you're gonna get the flathead. And you see that little clip right there? See that little clip right there? You're gonna come up here. You're just gonna pop this tab. What that's gonna do is gonna release it. Pop the tab. And it comes right, as you can tell, the shock is completely done. So we're gonna do the same for this one. All right, we're gonna do the same for this one. Pull that tab, and it's gonna come right out. All right, now we're gonna get the new one. I don't believe you have to pop the tags on because they just click on. And pop it in, and you're good. Shocks for your hood. Look at this. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and look at this, I'm full Corvette owner.